Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time Christopher Ward 12, the new Christopher Ward 12 40 millimeters in titanium. As usual, we have the environmental friendly Christopher Ward packaging. We have here the card, the cleaning cloth, and stickers. And here we have the Fjord blue Christopher Ward 1240 Ti with the chronometer movement. So let me take this off, this away, and a really nice color, like the dial. Trying to get this sticker off. Sometimes it gets off very easily, and sometimes, like this time, pretty hard. Yeah, so let me get this off. Anyways, here we go. So as you can see, really nice dial, non-fumé dial. So it's the other ones are a bit fumé. So this one is also 40 millimeters, like I was saying. As you can see here, 40 millimeters in diameter. Lug to lug is, if we take it from the outer lug, it will be around 44.5, and thickness right under 10 with 9 millimeters. 25 millimeters is the lug width. Tapers down to 16, if I remember correctly. Oh, tapers down to 18, looks like it. As you can see, we have also here a titanium bracelet. Let's take the stickers off. This also. Yes, at last. Free at last. So, what do we have? Like I said, we have a COSC certified Sellita W300, 25 joules. Let me open the strap so you can see the movement in the back, with an elaborate finish on the rotor, as you can see. So it runs on 28,800 vibrations per hour, 4 hertz. It should have -6 to +6, -4 to +6 seconds per day, running up to 56 hours of power reserve. Due to the fact that it has a screw down crown, the water resistance on this watch is 100 meter, which makes it a perfect daily watch, summer watch as well. So you can go swim with it, any aquatic activities as well. And Christopher Ward also introduced a new line of straps for the 12, which I think is a great idea, because I love the integrated bracelet from the 12, but I'm really a big fan of changing straps, and I think that's a great way to do it. The watch case itself is 41 grams, but with the bracelet is 93 grams. We have a LumeSLN X1 BL C1 lume, so it should give us a really good lume hue with this greenish blue lume. Yeah, more blue than green. So I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and this is how the watch would look on my wrist from the side. I think the finish on the watch is excellent, one of the best in that segment. This watch costs 2,075 euros. You have finished, polished finish to the chamfers of the bracelet, and also in the links, as you can see at the bottom of the link, so it looks really nice. The case itself has a multiple shapes. You have the circular shape of the sapphire crystal, which is AR reflect coated, and you have a octagonal or hexagonal actually shape of fixed bezel, and then you have a tonneau shape from the case. So you have multiple shapes. That's what I really like about the watch. You have the date at the 6 o'clock positions, which is quite good. And let's move the hands around. It will switch supposedly at the 12 directly. It did. As you can see, just a screw down crown. They have also a couple of colors for this new line. Also, what I forgot last time to show you is the micro adjustment on the sides. As you can see, you can just have a couple of millimeters from both sides to add in the case that it's too hot or now it's too cold and it's getting smaller, so you can just press it back together and then press back together. It's quite a nice offering from Christopher Ward. I'm really enjoying the 12, one of my favorite releases from them, and I asked them to send me this one to test it out for the next couple of weeks. So I'll make a full report on it as soon as I finish wearing for the next couple of weeks. Maybe take it on me on a couple of photo shooting trips to the forest, take nice photos of it. Anyways, this is about it for this unboxing. If you do like this kind of video, be sure to leave a like, also subscribe. Leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. And of course, here is the subscription button, and you might find 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.